Okay, Nanay, blow your candle. Happy birthday!
In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful.
Worry about that extra line that's creeping up upon your face. It's just a part of nature's way to say you've grown a little more. Trees have rings and thicker branches. Kids' shoes get a little tighter. Every year we're getting closer to who we're gonna be. It's time to celebrate the story of how you've come to be. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ma! Manghinaot mi, na aka sa maayong panglawas, adlaw-adlaw. Og ilabi na karon, imo na sad sa ulugon imong natawhan. Among wish, nahatagan pa ka sa daghang katuigan, aron ato pa ma-enjoy. Bitaw, kaon sa tugmang oras, iwas kabuhi, kay moari pa baya ka og Australia pohon. Musakay man ka kag eroplano. Ug ayaw lagi mo sige away ni Papa, kay matiguang tagdali. Ug naa kay problema diha istorya hitawon ming imong mga anak, ayaw iluom, kay mudaot ta ana. Bitaw, hope mawala na si COVID para makauli unya mi pohon. Kuyog sa imong apo na si Aw. Bitaw, Ma, I love you and we miss you so much. Happy 56th birthday, Ma. Love, Mary Grace and Hadon family ug imong mga anak.
Love you too. In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful.
1, 2, 3, smile!
You
Paduol kay Iban.
change your name to blues. Make tears impossible. Wish that I could have you with me every time I fall. In a world that's so imperfect, I know you will try to fix it. You should change your name to I don't think you minded if I change your name to something new. Would you think it childish if I changed my name to